What's up, guys? It's Squid again, bringing down the value of the property. I'm gonna try and find that little offshoot that I told you about in the last video. I don't know if I'll find it or not, but I'll try. I'm way past school hours anyway, so we're good to go. 58. Yeah. Didn't know there was a school there, so that's cool. And a park? What the hell? Where are we at? This is Robinson, but like, just a township, or just a township, I guess. I see rich people area here. That's pretty cool. If that little thing's on a dirt road, I'm fucking not gonna fucking go down it. I'm just letting y'all know that right now. I don't dick around with dirt roads, not unless I know them. Cool old tractor, I guess. I have been here before, or by it. I'm pretty sure it's got cooler red barns. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's got cooler red barns. Damn, that Harley vibration is nuts. Either that or I did something wrong. Cause that was vibrating like a motherfucker right there for a second. Let's play with the are they turning or not game. It's not a four-way. If that one car ain't turning, it ain't worth it. I know I'm gonna hit. Oh shit, that's totally that one road that we just came off of. That's where that goes. I'm not going past that anymore. Sorry guys. Fresh blacktop. Woo! This shit's cool. My normal judgment is one that's got the lines on it that it's good to go, so I don't have to worry about spinning too much. It's not fresh, but it's recent. Ooh, that looks cool. Oh, they got them jumping horses there. That explains the setup. A Jeep for sale, but you gotta go all the way in their damn yard to look at it. It's totally not entrapment. Oh, I mean, you're already out here looking at it. Why don't you just buy it? You're already in my yard because I'm just fucking looking at it, guy. Be some good hunting right here on the swamp. The state sell that way. That's Rich Road. Rich Road, not Ritz Road. A VFW? No, it's a church. How much battery I got? Oh, I got enough. Just to fucking hope I got enough. Oh, that's a nice square body. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say I gotta turn left or right, because I don't think I'm going straight. I mean, it looks like a cool spot to go straight, but I am not going straight. River Haven Marina. I might have gone too far. Which means that was on a dirt road. We ain't going there. Sorry. Unless this road goes to it. Hold up. Hold the fuck up. Am I gonna end up at fucking Grand Haven? I'm not up at fucking Grand Haven. Ah, I know where I'm at. Some bitch. I ain't going to. That's that park I was telling y'all about. I'm pretty sure. Unless it was on the other side. I don't know. I ain't finding out now. It's too damn late. This road ain't going there. It's just going to Grand Haven. Which is now the video. We're going to Grand Haven. Fuck it. I ain't turning around now. Find that shit later. Sorry, guys. Ah, Mustang, I'm in danger. The danger has passed. Oh, that's a big boat. Dog. Hello, dog. Hello, water. I love you, water. You're so nice to me most of the time. This road should take me past the Dollar General and right into like the little offshoot downtown of Grand Haven, so I don't think I got that much farther until I'm in town, so. Wow! Or maybe I got more corners first. Reduced speed, oh my god. Reduced speed zone though, so. Oh, horse place, that's cool. They always hit the cool stuff. No, just don't go too overboard and won't get pulled over. We'll be good. I got shit to do tonight. Yeah! Either that or already passed the Dollar General. I might have already passed the Dollar General. Or maybe not, I don't know. Look at that cool spot right there. Got stuff, cool stuff. And then water everywhere. Always makes me happy seeing older folk with walkers out doing stuff, even if it's just sitting down on your walker fishing, because at least you're out doing stuff, you know? You're not cooped up in the house being a miserable old, like... Oh, what's the dude's word? What's the word? Scrooge! God damn it, there it is, Scrooge! Shit, that was a hard word to figure out. Okay, so I know where I'm going, but I don't know exactly what spot on the road I am on. Okay? Okay, cool. There's the Dollar General, we just passed it. Here it is. Would you look at that? Dollar General and Avoca and Wesco right there, bud. Now for the kind of crappier side, the better side. And me catching my exhaust off in the fucking guardrail, that was beautiful. I love being loud and obnoxious, like that's my personality on this thing, is loud and obnoxious. Unless we're talking, I'll be quiet. Until then... That's for sale. That's a little house with a big garage. I can get behind that. Ah, bug in the helmet. Ah! Oh, an airplane. Cool. I promise I'm just talking dumb. I'm not actually talking like that normally. Sometimes. But not normally. Just sometimes. I promise. Ah. Good Lord. It's been a day, a beautiful day. Sunflowers! Woo! I'm sorry if I'm loud. I'm at the cusp of being like really awake and alert, but also very tired. So I take everything I say with a grain of salt, and hopefully I don't have to put a headphone user warning. Hyped. That was a skunk. I can smell it. All these little offshoots. They all go to the same place. Grand Haven. Well, except for that one. That one doesn't. You know, sometimes when I'm bored, I'll just go like house looking. Like, you know how people watch? I'll go house looking. I'll look at houses and judge the shit out of them. On a scale of like, would not live there to would live there. And a lot of these houses, I think I've definitely lived there. So for a couple, I would not live there. Most of them don't have a garage. So that's the going trend. You gotta have a garage. You know, that makes me want to live there. Even if it's one small as that, at least it's a garage. Oh, now it's only 25. What the hell? So we're back into the Grand Haven city limits. And now it's 25 strictly enforced. Fuck you. Okay, cops, don't pull me over unless I said fuck you to be edgy for a video, please. So, that's going to be today's video, guys. Sorry that wasn't more climatic than I thought it was going to be. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. now that I'm back in the city area, and I know I'm only gonna really have the radio, not even the radio, but the GoPro on for insurance reasons at this point. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I'll leave a comment, a like, a thumbs up. Like and thumbs up are the same thing, but you know, and kind of dumb. Hopefully y'all will stick around too. Subscribe maybe. Is that red? That's green. Hell yeah, dudes. Anyway, this has been Squid. Peace out.